welcome back to the 4 Times the Mom channel. I'm Christy if this is the first time stopping by. Today's video is a Thanksgiving dinner collaboration, and I will be making a very easy side dish that you can take with you to your Thanksgiving dinner. So if this is something you would like to see, then please stick around. Guys, today's video is a Thanksgiving dinner collaboration that I'm hosting alongside my friend Leanne from Leanne's Life. Now I'm going to leave a link to Leanne's channel down in my description box, so when you get a chance you can go over, check out her channel, because she has a ton of motivational videos that you guys will not want to miss out on. They're all lifestyle related, but she has like grocery hauls, cleaning videos, cook with me's, and just family vlogs on her channel. Make sure when you go over, tell her that Christy from 4 Times the Mom sent you over. So Leanne and I invited some other YouTube ladies to join in this collab with us, and each one of us are going to be preparing a different portion of the Thanksgiving meal. So for instance, I'm preparing a green bean casserole as one of the side dishes. Leanne will be preparing the main dish, and then some of the other ladies will have some sides and some desserts for you guys. So if you guys are interested, I will have a playlist that you can watch. After you watch this video, you can go down in my description box, click on the playlist, and it will play each person's video, one right after the other, and then you will have a complete Thanksgiving dinner laid out for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Now let's get right on into making some green bean casserole. This is the ingredients you're going to need for the green bean casserole. You're going to need some milk, cream of mushroom soup, some crispy fried onions, and I just got the 2.8 ounce jar of it, 2 cans of cut green beans, and some black pepper. So while my oven is preheating on 350 degrees, I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. But first I'm going to start with my green beans. I have 2 cans of green beans. I'm going to pour in the mixing bowl. Then I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk over the green beans. Then I'm going to add 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. The 2.8 ounce jar of the crispy fried onions. And then I'm going to add pepper to taste. Then I'm going to mix it all together. Pour it over in a baking dish. Pop this in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. So as you can see, I put the remainder of the crispy fried onions on the top, and then we're just going to put it back in the oven for 5 more minutes. Doesn't that look delicious, guys? It smells so yummy.